return once more to that horizon, that silent shore. The sea